What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to transfer Baby Doge Coin from Trust Wallet to KuCoin. So, today's tutorial is really easy, but I want you to keep up till the end to not miss out on anything. So, what you will do is go to KuCoin, then I want you to click on Assets in the bottom right of the screen, then I want you to click on Funding, and after that click on Deposit. So here I want you to search for Baby Doge Coin, and just like that, it will show you your QR code and the deposit address, but since I'm not verified, it didn't show. So, what you will do is copy the address and then go to Trust Wallet, and then I want you to search for Baby Dogecoin. So here you will click on Send. So, you're gonna paste the address that you just copied from KuCoin and then enter the amount of Baby Dogecoin you want to send, for example 1000. So we're just gonna click next and confirm the transaction and you're all done.